Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, I record. Hi guys, hi gang, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Welcome to the smoke simulation part 2. Today I'm gonna be talking a little bit about some values, okay? So I'm gonna create some smoke simulation. I'm gonna select this cube, click S and scale by moving the mouse. And just go to the object, quick effect and quick smoke choose, okay? I have smoke simulation. Now, I'm gonna select this bigger box, domain box, and go to the physics tab right here. Now, I can change the resolution, and the resolution is how much detail of the smoke is gonna be, okay? Uh, Here is 32, fuck my English. If I'm gonna change this to the 8, as you can see, the smoke simulation changes his size and the detail is kind of, bad, yeah? Not bad, but if you have bullshit PC, you always can, bring the resolution down and you can, still create some smoke simulation. Fuck! Okay, I'm gonna bring this by 32 again. And as you can see, I have much detailed smoke simulation. So the resolution is kind of like, how better smoke. If I'm gonna bring this up, maybe at the 77, my PC gonna break and blow up. So you must always adjust here the resolution to your PC. Yes, I have pretty bullshit PC, as you can see, even not playing because I have bullshit PC. I'm gonna bring the values down a little bit. Okay, now it's loaded. Okay, so the resolution is kind of how much detail, and like I said, if you have better PC, just play with the values, but don't bring about 1000, yeah. Your PC gonna be on fire. Your PC gonna be smoked, yeah. Whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this cube a little bit by GZ. Wait guys, cause my PC is kind of bullshit, like I said. GZ and down. And I wanna show you that, this is the timeline, yeah. Start and end frame. As you can see, the simulation gonna place at the end of 250, yeah, because I have here on the end frame, and the simulation is still playing. The smoke is still moving, as you can see. Now I can change this by going down. Okay, right here you must select this bigger cube, going down, and here frame start. If I'm gonna change this to the 100, my simulation gonna start at the frame 100. Yes, as you can see, it's not playing, and here, yeah, it's playing. Now let's talk a little bit. So you can change the timeline of the simulation right here, frame start end. Now let's talk a little bit about baking the data. Okay, so here you can change the type for the replay, all, and modular. Always remember, if you're gonna choose something different than replay, modular or all, always remember to select this, okay, box. Now I'm gonna select all, and you can bake the data, the simulation on your folder. Maybe I'm gonna bake, yeah, right here on the video, yeah, smoke, why not. Okay, so you can choose here the folder where you want to bake the simulation, and if you're gonna bake the simulation, remember, if I'm gonna bring the values on 100 right here, yeah, the resolution, because I want to bake, it's not gonna work, okay, because my PC is kind of bullshit. You must play the values right here, but if I'm gonna bake the data here, my simulation gonna place at the 24 frames per second. Okay, right here I can select, yes. So one more time, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna click bake data, from the frame 100, I'm gonna select and give my PC a couple of hours, yeah, because my PC is bullshit. And as you can see, my simulation dot playing, no play, no, and it starts. Yeah! And the simulation is about 24 frames per second. You know? Because here I have selected and I bake the data. Okay? Right here. So always remember that if you're gonna bake the data, bake the simulation, it takes some place on your disk. So remember always of that. Now I'm gonna change maybe this smoke simulation right here. I'm gonna select this cube to the maybe fire simulation. Yes. Boom. And I'm gonna select this big cube, yes, the domain cube, click free all, and maybe one more time select bake, and I'm gonna have some fire simulations. So you can, change the simulations by clicking this little cube, and as you can see, my simulation gonna play pretty nice. I have some fire simulation, and the fire simulation have some smoke too. So it's pretty cool, okay, as you can see. And yeah, if you want to change, maybe I'm gonna change, select this cube inside, yes, and right here on this physics panel, maybe I'm gonna change fire to the fire and smoke, and I can change the smoke color. Maybe I'm gonna create some blue smoke, yeah, on this fire. So select this bigger cube, domain cube, click free all, and one more time I'm gonna click bake, and it's baking right here, yes, frame start 100, so it starts on the frame 100 and it's end on the 250. You get it, I hope. So as you can see, I have some fire simulation with some blue smoke, yes, I hope you see this. So this is very basic stuff, but I wanted to show you, the resolution. One more time. The resolution right here, you can change how much detail it's gonna be, but remember, your PC gonna blow up, so you must play the values. If you have some bullshit PC, just bring the values down, cause Blender gonna crash, yeah. And you can always bake the data right here. Just select modular, and you have the button right here, and always remember to select this box, and maybe all, yes, and you can change the start simulation frame right here, maybe 100, maybe 200, whatever values you want. This is very basic stuff I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you get it. I hope I help you somehow, or yeah. Thank you, gang, for watching this stuff, and see you on the next video.